I think it's Tilly that asked how old was Makumalo when the show started. If I remember correctly, you guys, when she introduced herself in season 1, she was 28. I did do a video. If you check on my channel at the beginning of season 9, there's a video that I did where I was specifically talking about Igrowth Kamakhomalo on the show. How some of us who are older than her had a hard time understanding her back then because of that age difference, and we forgot the fact that she was in her 20s, guys. She was in her 20s, and she's the only wife that was in her 20s at the time. So while the other wives at the time quickly started to see uh, the narcissist tendencies kumkhwenyana wabo, uMakhumalo yena, it took time for her to get there because they were at different um, points of their lives, different ages, and also they have different personalities. So Umakumalo was very young when the show started. She was only 28. Even pictures from back then, you really can see what she was just a baby. So you can sort of understand ukuthi, if we look at the wives, the ones that have changed the most is Makumalo no Mangwabe. Because Mangwabe was so happy, you guys, at the beginning. Yo, Mangwabe was so happy. And it's almost like things have just. So, yeah, Makumalo was only 28 when the show started. Thank you, Tilly, for that question.